A thorn in somebody's flesh, idiom. Imagine you are on a hike and a small thorn gets stuck in your sock. As you walk, it pricks and annoys you constantly, making the journey uncomfortable. This perfectly illustrates the idiom a thorn in somebody's flesh. It refers to a person or thing that continually causes problems or annoys someone. Examples: annoying colleague. The new project manager is a thorn in my flesh. She keeps changing the plans last minute. Persistent issue. The leaking roof has been a thorn in their flesh for months. Nagging problem. That unreliable computer is a thorn in my flesh at work. Tips for remembering. To remember this idiom, think of the literal thorn that causes continuous irritation. Visualize how a small thorn can cause persistent discomfort. This can help you recall how the idiom is used to describe something or someone that consistently annoys or troubles you. Fun fact: the idiom "a thorn in somebody's flesh" is derived from the Bible. In the New Testament, the Apostle Paul uses the phrase "a thorn in my flesh" to describe a persistent problem or affliction. This biblical origin gives the idiom a rich historical background and adds to its depth in modern language. It's been a pleasure having you here. See you around.